This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable dark mode in LibreOffice Writer. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Writer. I have LibreOffice Writer opened up now. To enable or disable dark mode, as you can see, I am currently in light mode, but to enable dark mode or to disable dark mode, you want to go up to the top up here, up to the Tools tab. You want to click on Tools. Then you want to go down to where it says Option at the very bottom. Options, I'm going to click on Options. Now in the little dialog box that opens up, the very first thing, LibreOffice, you want to make sure that is expanded. And then you'll go down to where it says Appearance and click on Appearance. Then off to the right here, under where it says LibreOffice Themes, as you can see, I'm currently set to Automatic. You can click the drop down here, and you can choose between Automatic, Light, or Dark. I'm going to choose Dark. And then if you want your document to be in dark mode too, you want to uncheck where it says Use White Document Background. I'm going to uncheck that. I'm going to go down to the bottom. I'm going to click on Apply. And then I'm going to click on OK. Now I have a little notification. You have to restart LibreWolf in order for these settings to take place. I'm going to click on Restart Now. And as you can see, I am currently in dark mode. And even if I type, my typing now is in white. You can always change the color of your font. But that is how to enable or disable dark mode in LibreOffice Writer. Thanks for watching.